Hey everyone, I'm Chris Batista and I'm a graphic designer. I actually got my start in graphic design back in my high school's print shop, where we did pretty much everything the old analog way with blue lines and light tables. I eventually got on the print side of things, where I spent the last 20 years working in various printing roles before circling back onto the graphic design side. This first piece is a hang tag for a stuffed animal. This is part of a campaign that's meant to raise awareness of endangered species. It's marketed towards children, which gave me the perfect reason to use bright, vibrant colors and to create this sea otter illustration. I also incorporated a lotus pattern in the background, since this species is Asian. For this plastics packaging campaign, I ended up marketing towards young adult women. I didn't want anything too immature, so I stayed away from pink, but I didn't want anything too stuffy and mature either. So I kept the logo loose and fun, but I also didn't want a very cluttered design. I wanted to keep things very clean and warm. For this newsletter, the Friends of Multnomah Falls in Oregon, they currently have an e-newsletter, but it's very text-heavy. So I wanted to create something with a lot of high-quality images to really promote the natural beauty in the area and maybe help draw some attention to their cause. For this carton packaging campaign, we're marketing towards young adult males in the millennial age range. I wanted something that was outdoorsy and adventurous, yet I wanted it very structured and classy as well. I used a 5 Pantone color palette for this, no process colors. I wanted something very unique for it. This wine company wanted labels that presented them as being well established, so I created something that was very classic for them, very rich colors, but with images that harken back to old winemaking methods as well. For this travel agency, I created the logo. They wanted something that represented the Kingfisher brand, so I created something that was speedy and yet elegant, and also really got into the website design for them as well, creating something that was responsive and easy to navigate across mobile, tablet, and laptop screens. For this athletic shoe company, I created the logo and also for the ad campaign, wanted something that was dynamic and energetic. So I wanted some sense of action, so there was a lot of splashes of color, and I also wanted to add in some grittiness for the elements of trail running. So there's lots of browns and warm grays in there as well. Now this map was a particular challenge because it's not a big tourist destination in the Gulf of Thailand. That being said, there are some resorts there, so I used the resorts as landmarks to help people find their way around the island a little bit easier. It can be scaled up or down depending on size, so it'd be very easy to use in multiple platforms. If you like the work that you see here, please visit my website. You'll see all of this and much more. Thank you.